Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet. A to F. Pink color, silver color, black color, yellow color, orange color, red color, brown color, blue color, green color, gold color, orange color. Orange color. A for apple, A for ant. Brown color, brown color. B for ball, B for bat, B for ball, B for bat. Pink color, pink color. C for cat. Red color, red color. D for doll, D for dolphin. Blue color, blue color. E for elephant, E for egg. Green color, green color. F for fish, F for flower. A for apple, A for ant. B for ball, B for bat. C for cat, C for cake. D for doll, D for dolphin. E for elephant, E for egg. F for flower, F for fish. Thank you.